My name is Samreet and today we are going to introduce the case Asic versus Adler with my group members OIS, Madhu, Bhupinder and Ejaz. We are going to present this case as plaintiff, and now I'm going to give you the quick introduction about this case. The main aim of the assignment is to analyze and discuss the case of Asic versus Adler 2002. The assignment has critically discussed the case in order to justify the claim of the plaintiff and the involvement of defendant in causing the loss and breaking the existing laws of the country. The events involved in the case has been discussed and reviewed in the assignment in order to analyze the case effectively and to analyze the legal reaction towards such situations. The judgment made by the court has also been reviewed and justified with the existing laws and their implications. Now OIS is going to further talk about the background of the case.
Thank you very much. As she has mentioned, it's the case between two companies, the HIHC, it's an abbreviation for HIH Casualty and General Insurance Limited, and on the other side, the other party is PEE, stands for Pacific Eagle Private Limited. That has both been involved in the case. The case has involved an undocumented payment that has been made of the amount of equivalent to 10 million to have been made to the PEE Limited back in 2002. The transaction with the PEE Limited has been controlled by Adler, who is a sustainable shareholder and a non-executive director of HIH Casualty and General Insurance Limited, and he also served as the officer in the very same company. PEE became the trustee of Australian Equity Unit Trust after receiving the loan from HIHC, and provided a loan of 10 million, became the subscription of HIHC for 10 million worth units of Australian Equity Unit Trust. Moreover, the 4 million worth share units of HIHC has lately been bought by PEE on the stock market. That caused loss of 2 million to PEE, as the share has been resold at half the price of purchase. It's been like about $2 million loss. The loss has been planned by PEE to make the impression of their good intention and relations with the investor of HIHC in the stock market. Apart from that, PEE also bought the unlisted shares of worth 4 million from the technology and communication companies. For further discussion, I would like to call Madhu for the continuation of presentation.
Right. Now I'm going to discuss about the case in a brief. One of the biggest tragedy in this case is that all the above transaction has been not informed and approved by the board and other shareholders. The Adler has been accused for not involving the investment committee of HIH in any of the discussion. Instead, the board, shareholders, the investment committee of HIH were totally unaware with the transaction of the shareholder. The Adler has also been accused for undocumented sale of the HIH shares. Adler breaches its duties as its action while serving as the officer of HIH and HIHC, for which he has been accused. Adler has also been charged for misusing his authority as a director and performing the actions that were in against the company performance. The court has concluded that the subsidiary of HIH has illegally transferred the 10 millions to the PEE without keeping the record in the written form. The $10 million trust subscription by Adler was worthless as compared to the initial subscription. Therefore, Adler has been charged under Section 260A. The Section 208 Act has been enforced to the defendant for not requiring the shareholders' approval before making the relevant transaction in the shares of the company. Now, Bhupinder is going to discuss the remaining parts.
Thank you very much. Now I am going to give presentation as a plaintiff. Adler and other related authorities that were involved in the transaction of company's share that has caused great loss to company has been accused for conducting unethical and illegal actions. Transaction, especially in media, needs to be reported and justified through paperwork, or else they are considered as a part of criminal activity. Therefore, the defendant has been found guilty for not disclosing the information related to company-related transaction. The court has made the judgment in the favor of plaintiff. And now I'm going to discuss some point to a discussion of case. The defendant has been found guilty for not discussing the information related to company-related transaction. The defendant Adler has been charged for the action 180, section 181, section 182, and 182. There is also it's a second part of 182, 183, and 260. And the next member is Askan. He is going to explain some more points.